Stop saying your salary is too low. Your problem isn't how much money flows into your pocket. Your problem is that your pocket has holes. You can earn $1,000 or $10,000. If you don't have a system, the result will be the same. At the end of the month, you have zero. Most people manage money like a drunk driver, full gas when there is cash and slamming the brakes when it runs out. This is the road to financial disaster. In this video, I will give you the single budgeting system used by millionaires. It's called the 6 jars. But a warning, one of these jars will sound completely crazy to you. You will have to spend money on useless nonsense to become rich. If you ignore this jar, you will crash and lose everything. Watch until the end to find out why saving money on coffee kills your motivation faster than inflation. Let's kill the biggest lie right now. You tell yourself, I have too little money to manage. When I get rich, then I'll start budgeting. This is a lie. You won't start managing money when you get rich. You will get rich only when you start managing money. Saying, I'll start training when I get muscles is stupidity. It's the same with money. The universe, or the market, is watching you. If you can't handle $1,000, why would it give you $10,000? You would just destroy yourself with it. Right now, we're going to tune your financial engine. It doesn't matter how much money you have. What matters is the habit. Harv Eker's system is simple. Every single dollar that comes into your hand, salary, gift, found on the street, must be immediately sliced into 6 parts, no exceptions. Jar 1, Necessities, 55%. This is your survival. Rent, food, bills, transport. If you spend more than 55% of your income on living, you are living beyond your means. You say, but my rent eats up 80%. You have 2 choices, earn more or move into a smaller box. Harsh? Yes, but math doesn't care about your feelings. As long as you spend 80% on survival, you are a slave. Your goal is to force these expenses into 55%. Jar 2, Financial Freedom Account, 10%. This is the holy grail. This is money you never spend, ever. You can only spend the income this money generates, interest, dividends. These 10% are your soldiers. You send them to war for stocks, real estate, or bonds. In tough times, you might starve, but you do not touch this jar, because if you eat the seeds, you will have nothing to plant in the spring. Jar 3, Long-term savings for spending, 10%. Do you want a new iPhone? Do you want to go to Paris? Great. Don't take a loan, save here. This jar saves you from stress. When the car breaks down, you don't panic. You just take money from here. Jar 4, Education, 10%. The best investment is an investment in yourself. If you stop learning, you start dying. The world changes. Your skills become obsolete. Spend this money on courses, seminars, books. Brian Tracy said, $1 invested in the mind puts $30 in the pocket. If you're poor, maybe you should put even more than 10% here. Jar 5, Play, 10%. Here it is, the jar that will save your sanity. Most gurus say save on everything, and what happens? Your inner child starts to rebel. You hold on for 2 months, and then you snap and blow your whole paycheck on a party. The rule of this jar, you must spend this money at the end of the month, to the last penny. Buy a bottle of expensive wine, get a massage, feel rich. Why? To show your brain why you are working. If you only save and scrimp, your brain will decide that wealth equals pain and suffering, and it will start sabotaging your success. Feed your inner beast, and it will give you the energy to work harder. Jar 6, Give, 5%. Give it away. It doesn't matter to whom, a church, a dog shelter, or just buy food for a homeless person. This isn't just kindness, this is psychology. When you give, you send a signal to your brain, I have enough, I am abundant. This kills the fear of poverty. It is impossible to feel poor when you're helping others. You say, dude, I don't have money to split into 6 piles. Don't lie to me. Do you have $1? Take $1. 55 cents for food, 10 cents for freedom, 10 cents for play, and so on. Yes, it seems funny. 10 cents won't make you rich, but the habit will. You are building a neural pathway. First, you split dollars, then hundreds, then millions. If you don't start now with the change in your pocket, you will never start. Your financial freedom is not luck. It is math and discipline. Right now, write in the comments, "I manage money." Let this be your first step. Subscribe to Motivation and Money. We don't give empty promises, we give manuals. Turn on the notification bell. In the next video, I will tell you how to make those 10% work at 20% APY. You don't want to miss that.